Brief respite in the rain. I don't know if you can hear me or not. I get a mic check. Mic check. Humans, can you check my mic? Is it on? A lot of people, a lot of tourists today. A lot of people taking selfies. Pretty cool. My homies. Yeah, there are quite a few stalls out. May even be able to get some food. And I started early so I could have time to go through the whole thing. Mic check. Gotta check my mic. My whole rig got a little wet last night, so I want to make sure my mic is working. Oh, that's nice. More fishies. Shrimpies. Barbecue cowboy. Here's the fried potato. Kapkun na kap. Never seen these before. Oh, it smells good over here. Guava juice. This is the start, so I'll just turn around here. I don't see anything else down there. I'll make a little loop here. Oh, there's Ganesh. Sawati crab. Piece 34 for 100. That is a good price. That is a good price. 4 shirts for 100. Maybe I should get 4. So I have a bunch of bug bites from last night. Oh, look at this.
Hey, Brian.
We have size.
I don't have a phone. I'll buy one more for you. Dude. What's that a good rock?
Kind of in the way. Go over there at the Dragon. I wonder if this is the thing Mon was talking about. Smoky stuff. Sawadee krap.
Guys, just buy.
Fried pork. Sawadee krap.
Okay, I'm going back to buy my potato. Get another one.
He likes it a lot, that much. I don't like it that much. I don't know.
We have so much Brunei potato. We open one store in small for carry to food.
Sugar. Grilled bananas.
Oh, this sucks. Okay, buy this.
Need to get away from the loud Americans. They're not being mean or anything. I just want to distance myself from them. Rains looks like it's going to stay away for a while. Looks like we might be good for a while. Kapkun na trap. More stuff here. Mango stuff. Oh, here's some croffles. Sawadee krap. Those are the croffles. I had a croffle the other day. Croissant plus waffle equals croffle. Very good. It was very tasty. Ooh. Exact representation of you. It's like a photograph. Oh, I was kidding, but hopefully they're not mad at me. Coconut bowls, 100. Seems like everybody sells them for 100.